You spread, you spread, you spread, spread. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spread. Now proc. Tornado. Any tornadoes are on me. Tornadoes are on me. Now flash wave, 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 flash wave. Kill this guys inside of us. Kill this guys inside of us. Kill this guys inside of us. Nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. I get that boomstone.
Don't
Spread, you spread, you
overextend.
spread. Nice, nice. Kill that guy, kill that guy, kill that guy. Then just go back P4. I need scouts. I need scouts on P1. I need scouts on 1. On 3, sorry. I need scouts on 3.
I go, I go.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, kill this guy. Come here, come here, come here. Long range, come here on the flag. Long range, come here on the flag. Long range, come here on the flag. You
They
snipe
coming
them.
A2.
Yeah, yeah,
They
yeah. You
coming
snipe
A2.
them, snipe them, snipe them, snipe them. Nice. Don't use flash wave. Don't use flash wave. Don't use flash wave. You snipe them, snipe them. Don't go down, guys, ah. I only need range to snipe them. I only need range to snipe them. Nice. Good job. Okay, they're on A2. Let them, let them, let them, let them. You just snipe them, you just snipe them.
They going A2 again.
Heal your party members, heal your low party members, okay?
Regrouping A2.
Okay.
T1 still clear. No enemies.
Okay. You stop going A4. Stop going A4. Stop going A4. You move here back on A. Move here back on 1. Move here back on 1 and 4. Move here back on 1 and 4. Let them fight, let them fight, let them fight. Let's practice our defensives and everything. Stop going A4, guys. Stop going A4. Let them go up, let them go up, let them go up.
They
Let them go
holding.
up. See, it's really strength in numbers. So let them go up so they can fight us. Once they go A3, you're gonna bomb them, okay? They're coming A3. Let them go. Let them go A4. Now
They
you spread.
coming.
Now you spread. Now you spread. 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 You brawl. You brawl and spread. You brawl and spread. Hit that shit. Hit that shit on A4. Hit that shit on A4. Hit that shit on A4. Hit them. Kill them all. Kill them all. Kill them all. Run them over. Nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Kill Johnny. Nice. Can you snipe here? Ranges, I need you to go here.
Go where? 5?
From where?
Are they still holding in Bonstone?
Okay. I already have backups behind, so it's okay.
Sorry,
Someone
sorry.
guarding.
Do we snipe from 5?
Yeah, try to snipe, try to snipe. That's good, that's good. The 5 of you.
They going for on B3.
Come up, A4. Come up, A4. This guy is their teammate, right? This Tong. They're checking. Come here, 4. Come here, 4.
They are regrouping at B3.
Come here, 4. Come here, 4. Let them in, let them in. This is their main target, the Boonstone.
They're here. B3. Holding. They coming?
Okay,
Ah.
go back, go back, go back. You spread, you spread, you spread. You spread on the edges. You spread here on the edges. Like that. Nice. Okay. Give them a pattern. Are they coming pa lang?
Still holding. They buff now. They coming, they coming.
Come back, come back. I didn't say you pop your
Follow comms,
defensive.
follow
Ah.
comms.
I didn't say you pop your defensive. Defensive will be late now. Defensive will be late. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Inch upon me, inch upon me. Inch upon me, inch upon me, inch upon me, inch upon me. We're gonna bait them, we're gonna bait them. We're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go in. Come in. Come inside them. Come inside them. Tornado flash wave, tornado flash wave, tornado flash wave, tornado flash wave. Get this backline. Get this backline. Nice. Good job. Good cleanup. Good cleanup. Good cleanup. How many are they? 3 parties only.
Yeah, 3 party only. They going back to B3 again.
If you're dead, you can go C. If you're dead, you can go C, okay? If they're not on A, you can go A.
25 people daw. 4 party. Ay, 3. Yeah. They holding B3 again.
It's okay, guys. It's okay. Guys. On this one, we're gonna let them inside of us, okay? We're gonna let them inside of us.
Copy.
Let's see how our defensive works, okay? Okay, guys?
Copy.
Yeah.
Copy.
Let them in, let them in. We're not gonna go tornado. Let's see how our brawling has improved, if it's improved already. Calm down, calm down. They're going, they're going. They will go, they will go. We will soak their flash waves.
They're
Okay?
coming, they're coming.
Yeah. We will soak their flash wave, okay? Come. Let them hit you, let them hit you. Now. Defensive now. I need your defensive now. Defensive. Now we're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go inside them. Brawl them. Brawl only. Brawl, 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 brawl. Fight them. Fight them. Your skills. Other skills. Not flash wave. Not tornado. You brawl them. You brawl them. Check your skills. Check your skills. They didn't prove. They didn't prove. Nice. Heal your party. Heal your party. Heal that way. How's the damage? Did they get you low?
Hindi.
Your defense. Still B3. Okay.
They are going B1.
B1. Okay.
B3, B3 again.
Idol, can we try sleep bomb then crossbow?
Okay. Sleepers, I need you in front. Sleepers meaning sleepers like Templars and dagger sleep. I need you on front. Inch upon me. DPS inch upon me. Inch upon one. Spread on one. Spread on one. I need sleepers on 4. Come back here, JD. Come back here. You're 4 only. It's B4, not 4. Come here. Okay. Ready. Move.
They're still waiting for Johnny.
Guys. Check sun. Guys, check sun. I
Move
need
up.
sleepers inch up. Sleepers to inch up. Go. Before sleepers.
Sleepers only ah.
Sleepers. DPS come 4. DPS come 4. Sleep now. I need sleep now. Sleep. Big sleep. Now you hit flash wave. You wipe this down. Wipe them. Nice. Good job. Kill that Bambi. Heal and stabilize. Keep healing. Heal your party. Keep healing. I see low people here. Keep healing. Okay, someone from C3. Kill the stragglers. Okay. Kamusta, B-boy?
Okay.
Going B3 again.
Okay, I need the 3 stuff that I assigned. Can you try to ice bomb? I see someone coming here always. The tank. What's his name? Can you ice bomb that tank? Okay.
Okay.
Do you know
Just-
the name?
Popuri? What's the name?
Easy
Start-
and Zildred though.
Easy and silver. Okay. That's your task stuff that have ice bomb.
Okay.
They holding B3.
Okay.
Zildred, right?
Children and easy. It's okay. Let them come in before Sensei. Basic.
Miyamoto is also tank, I think.
Yes. Just check for the tanks. Try to ice bomb them. Okay.
Someone going in V.
Sleepers on front. Sleepers on front. Here, here, here. On sides, on sides. Sleepers on sides.
In-chop sila, in-chop.
Okay, okay. Let them chop. Let them chop.
Someone.
Let them chop. Let them chop. They're coming. They're coming. Not FK. Calm down.
They coming, they coming,
You
they
hold,
coming.
you hold, you hold, you hold, you hold, you hold, you hold, you hold. You spread and brawl, you spread and brawl. Ice this guy, Lucifer. Nice, nice ice.
Big sleep done.
Big sleepers go in, sleepers go in, sleepers go in. Run this down, run this down. Wipe them, wipe them, wipe them. Now you kill the guys who sleep already. You kill the guys who are asleep. Nice.
Lugi sa number.
Did it work? The ice tombing.
Yes.
How many seconds? Mga 5.
Even with the person trying to cap earlier in the Boonstone, I tried to ice it. It worked.
They coming
What's
B3
the
again.
cooldown for that?
Cooldown is 28 seconds.
Okay.
I need Shada, Lakri, and B-Boy's party to go B4. Shada, Lakri, B-Boy party. Go to B4. Yeah. All other guys go to the Boomstone. You try to fight them. You try to fight them. 3 parties, okay?
Copy.
You try to fight them.
Come
at
here,
your
Lone
back, I'm
and
at your back.
Phantasm.
Lone Pantasam. Try to fight them. Try to fight them. It's
Uri
in
is at Eva A4.
come in.
Tudor, go front.
Benok,
All
kill
other
that guy.
tanks.
All other guys here on Boonstone, kill that guy. Yes. Good luck, guys. Good luck, Shada and team. You try to fight them.
They coming.
Okay.
They coming, they coming.
Come back yet. No. You sleepers. I need sleepers from your team. Sleepers from your team. Now you tornado. Let them go. Only their team.
Sleep.
Let them go. Flash wave. Roll them. All the guys that passed through them, we gonna kill them. All the guys that passed through them, kill them. All the guys passed through them, kill them. Nice. Kill your party.
Good job.
Okay, now I need for their last push. Who's the other party that were not from Shada Lakri and what you call this? B-Boy, come here.
All the remaining parties come before.
Mepis party, Lily party, and Sekes party. You
Parties
fight.
that were called before come before. Thank you.
And my party, go to them. Go
They
to
coming
B4,
B3
guys.
again.
Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. We can't do that on other teams, guys. Don't disrespect them. So we're giving them a handicap. So they'll be fighting 3 parties at a time. Okay?
Copy.
Kill this Lucifer. Are they inching?
Yeah.
Okay.
But not all party.
Come back. Bait them on 4. You spread on 4, you spread on 4, you spread on 4. Do you have any sleepers? I see sleepers on you. Boss Ren and
Oh, it's
GG.
done.
GG.
It's done.
It's done,
Well
it's
played.
done.
GG. Just say GG, no trash talk.